Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. I'm Daiki. Today, I'm on my kayak. Today I came all the way to Japan seaside to target one of groupers called Ako. This orange spotted grouper, and every year in this season I came all the way to this Japan seaside to target Ako because it's very delicious. So today I'm gonna catch good size Ako and cook something delicious with that fish.
So I start from jigging using an 80-gram silver metal jig. The water depth is around 100 feet around the fish reef where I found some school of bait fish. I appeal with my slow pitch jerk, keep jigging ups and downs about 30 feet, then I suddenly caught a strong tag. This is obviously not a tag by grouper, it's just too strong. And I worried about the line break because this is only 20-pound test line, so I gotta be really gentle bringing them up. It was a big yellowtail. It took me about 5 minutes to bring it up. So after catching the big yellowtail, I kept hopping spot by spot and I caught several different fish, including my main target, Ako.
Hey, so on my kayak fishing the other day, I accidentally caught a unique fish. It's a scorpion fish. And today I'd like to cook it into fried fish. I'm gonna fry the whole parts, including bones and skins and everything. So this is the one. It's got very strong poisonous fins and I already cut them to remove all of them. So this is my first time to fillet this fish. I don't know how it's gonna work, but let's try. Just try it regularly. It's got fins here. Alright. And this is the collar, and cut along the bone, and also here. This is the fillet. And this is the other side of fillet. Wow. So this is the bones and head and collars. I'm gonna fry it in a low temperature. Salt and pepper. And potato starch. Wow. So exciting. Okay, so let's put it in the oil. Okay, side down. All right. And I also prepared other fry as well. Octopus and fish roll. I'm gonna fry those as well. It's a scorpion fish, salt and pepper. And now I'm gonna fry other ingredients too. Starch. Slice an onion. All right. Lettuce. Tomato. I make some dressing for carpaccio. Sesame seeds and grind it. Mayonnaise, vinegar, soy sauce, extra virgin olive oil. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, let me try one piece. It's nice. And fries. So this one is scorpion fish. It's so good. It's very soft, but yeah, it's also got very firm texture. I like it. Yeah. Soy sauce. Wasabi. So this is aqua. This is just what I wanted to eat. That's why I took a trip all the way to Japan seaside to catch this ako, the super tasty grouper. It's been 2 days since I caught this fish, and I think this is the best condition right now. Let's taste it. It smells so sweet.
Must yours. Delicious.
It smells so nice. It's very sweet. And this is what I wanted to eat. Ako. Mwah.